About this item: extensive compatibility input, 100-240V AC, 50 to 60 Hz, wide voltage design. Almost all countries contain civil voltage range. This product is widely used. Application: products such as LED flexible light strip, 5050 RGB, security camera, audio, video gear, switches, LED and LCD TVs, USB hub, computer monitor, DVR streaming media players, Android TV box and so on. Intelligently identify output, 12V Max 3A/3000 mAh, it means that it can supply with all amperage which smaller than 3A. Such as 2.5A, 2A, 1.5A, 1A, 600 mAh, 750 mAh, 800 mAh, 900 mAh, all is available. For example, if your device drawing the current only needs 2A, then only 2A will be supplied. However, if you needed more than 3A, then you will get 3A also. Security: we focus on producing power adapters, no noise, low temperature operation, no spontaneous combustion, no explosion, provide stable output, exquisite shell size, 8755/47 The actual goods are more exquisite than the picture. Wire length, 1.5 m, approximately 5 feet, wires longer than similar products, more selective, comes with connectors. 5.5 2.1 mm polarity, positive, plus, center. To meet your more requirements, we will come with your 4 connectors worth $5 to you.